god. Hi everybody, this is Peanut 101 Blocks and Rocks Minecraft channel. We're gonna be having a tutorial of how to build an emerald sword. Let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to create a new world, and I'm going to make it so that it's I'm going to make it so it's a super flat. So that's done, and now we need to put it on creative mode. Now we put allow cheats on, and game rules nothing. And that's it. Now I press create world, and we will get into the world in a second. Takes a second. Woohoo! Okay, everybody, I am in the world, and it's now time to build an emerald sword. Look at all these slimes. It gets so glitchy here. Okay, now let's get building this. Okay, first you want to take the simple blocks. You want to go to you want to get an emerald block and wooden planks. So I'll just find these and get them, and we'll be on our way. Okay guys, I'm still finding it because I don't know much about this, so I found it. Now I need to find wooden planks and logs. And here's the log, and I don't need any strip logs. I need an oak log. Now I need to have oak planks. Now, with these 3 items, we can get into this. Okay, this is how we build it. So you don't want it to be too high. Oh my gosh, what is it doing? Oh, I'm in shift mode. Okay, you don't want it to be too high, so I'm making mine 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to place your oak planks like this, and then once you're done doing that, you'll want to find the middle piece of it, and then go there and make that like that, and now this tutorial is almost over. And also like and subscribe if you enjoy this. This is my first video. This is my first building video, and please like and subscribe. I'll make it just helps me to make more content. Please just like and subscribe if you like this. And now we place the emeralds in the sword, and we are almost done with the emerald sword. We are almost done, and we're done. Now let's go take a look at it. Here it is. That's the emerald sword. So if you enjoyed this, I don't know, I already said this, but please like and subscribe, please. And if you like this, like and don't, and if you subscribe, please. And if you like this, press the like button, and I'll make more. Bye.